In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to animate text as well as objects in Canva. So let's go ahead and get started here. As you can see on the screen, I have an object, which is a little puppy here, and I also have some text on the screen here. So let's start with the puppy here. So you want to select the object itself or image, whatever you may have in here. Click on that, and if you go up on the top menu here, the toolbar, you're going to see an option that says Animate. So click on that option. And as you can see here, we have a lot of animations here. So to create an animation, you drag elements around the canvas to create your own animations. Okay, now we can start off with the basic animations where you can just select the animation, and you are going to see that it is going to be applied to our object here. And there's also some settings that come with this animation here, so you can animate both. You can animate the center, you can animate on exit, right? So usually a lot of people just do both, so that you have an intro and outro of the animation. Okay, or you can just do the intro. Now you also have the speed of the animation, how fast do you want it to happen, right? This is where you are going to be able to change that. You also have the direction here. As you can see, for now it's going up. That's how it's entering the scene. So you can do the opposite, which is going down here. So all the other options here are going to have their own settings. So if I was going to select wipe, you're going to see that we have some settings here. Now we have a lot more options when it comes to the direction. Now you can go to another category, which is exaggerate. You can see that on here. This one has its own animations. You also have stomp. As you can see, this one also has its own settings here that you can tweak. Now you can also remove the animations, right? I selected a lot of animations here. You can remove animation. Yeah, so it should be very, very easy. Now, some instructions here if you want to if you just want a little reminder here, you can hold shift while dragging to create straight lines. You can control the speed of your animations by moving element faster and slower. You can stop dragging the element to complete your animation. Okay, now that is pretty much it when it comes to how you can add animations to objects. Now when it comes to adding animation to text, it's going to be the same process here. So if I select my text on here and I go over to animation, click on animation, you can see that we have some animations here, right? So you can look at the basic animations, same thing as we went over, right? We have some writing animations. If you want to do a typewriter effect, there we go. You also have some exaggeration animations here. You also have motion effects that you can add to your text here, right? Which is pretty cool. So that is how you are going to be able to add animations in Canva to your text as well as objects that you may have on the screen. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.